Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We have an oil pressure gauge. This is new old stock, and this is how it looks mounted. It's a perfect fit, looks good. This is a nice unrestored bike that it's on. So we just wanted to check just because it was older to see if it worked. Now, when we sell this, because the part's close to 50 years old, I cannot give a warranty with it. But here we'll just show you it does work just for the heck of it. So there you go, it works. We'll clean it up a little bit, but this is new old stock. I'm not sure who the manufacturer is. So anyway, thanks for looking at our stuff, and this is a really nice choice part for your vintage bike. Thanks.